So here is, ooh, y'all, and she is baby hair ready. All right, now let's get some style going. First thing I'm gonna do is put her behind my ear. Why? Because I want y'all to calm down. When y'all get these wigs, do not get excited. Do not lose it. Stay focused. Put the wig on, calm down. The very first thing you're gonna do, pick up your solution. You're gonna spray it, especially in the front. Why are you doing that? Because now that water and that solution and that product is going to help the hair to kind of calm down. That's what you need to do. You need everything to kind of calm down so that you can start now playing with the little fibers, because I do not call synthetic wigs hair. It is not hair. It is plastic hair. The majority of all of our wigs are heat resistant, which means it can take heat. So if you want to put some extra curls in there, you can do it. Okay, now let's get some style going. I'm going to go down. I'm going to put a little bit more laminate. Go down, go down. Pat is cute. Yes, Pat is cute, honey. And that's coming from Pat. All right, now watch this. I'm going to go back with my fingers. Back with my fingers. I'm going to use my wide tooth comb. Now listen, if you get the Beauty Cutie bag, all of this and a wig stopper all comes in it complimentary, okay? So, all right, there we go. Don't forget, pick up your hair care products. 21 states. 309 stores. Look how cute that is. Absolutely adorable. Easy to take care of. The main thing is when you put it on, make sure you get that solution. And when you want these to pop out a little bit more, Miss Pat also comes in jet black. This is the jet black one. And you see that color popping? That is a 1B30. Absolutely adorable. Matter of fact, I think I'll try on the 1B30 for you. Because listen, when it comes in the mail, she's gonna look crazy. But do not panic. Do not panic. It's just a wig. It's not surgery. It's not brain surgery. It's just a wig. So now let's let it make sense for you. So you get it out the bag, okay? And we do cut the lace off for you. That comes complimentary. I'm gonna show you this wig. I'm gonna go straight for the unlock. And I'm gonna spray unlock right on there. So the unlock works on natural hair and weave. The reason why I'm using the unlock straight on this hair, because this has curls. Whenever you have curls, whenever you have tight waves, that unlock is going to keep everything under control. Now this is the other thing. This curl is kind of over to the side. If you pull it back, now you got a perfect lace part. Here we go. We're going to put it on, grab it from the back. Okay, calm down. Take a breath. Take a breath. Activate your faith. Come on. Keep these sisters encouraged. Okay, you see how that curl keeps flopping in the front? This will make you nervous because now you feel like the wig is too much. Well, put it back. So for those people who love nice curls, spirals, this is ideal for you. I would love for you to tune in every Thursday and Saturday at 4 o'clock sharp on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and you know what? You now can tune in on my website, lahosthair.com. All you have to do is punch in lahosthair.com or just LaHost Hair on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And every Thursday at 4 o'clock and Saturday at 4 o'clock, I'm gonna be there with the Beauty Cutie teaching you how to look amazing and feel wonderful. Listen, we're giving out great discounts this Saturday and this Thursday, so you don't wanna miss it.